Hello friends, this is Medhavi. Today we have to work on interfacing of LCD with STM32F1. For writing this code, we are using Keil compiler and STM32 Cube MX. This is my STM32F1 board and this is the pin diagram. In this, these are the GPIO pins in blue color. These are the I2C pins in orange color. These are the analog pins. These in yellow color are the UART pins are there. In CAN, these are the CAN. These SPI are in green color. These are the pin diagram of STM32F1. These are the ground VCC positive 3.3 volt, 3.3 volt. This is a ground and this is 5.5 volt. So this is the pin diagram. Now open QMX software and follow my commands. This is QMX software. First, go to access to MCU selector. Select. Yeah. After that, first STM32F103C8. You have to select this one. After that, double click. Then zoom it. We are using a LCD. So first go to my block. This is my block. This is a pin diagram of LCD. We are using a 16x2 LCD. First pin is a ground, second pin is VCC, third pin is for variable resistance, for contrast control, fourth is for RS, fifth is for read and write, sixth is for enable, and 7 to 14 pins are for data lines, and these two are the backlight. These are the 16x2 LCD. This is a pin configuration of this 16x2 LCD. Okay. So we have to first work on the 8-bit mode. So 8 data lines are there, and this RS and this one is a enable, and RW is connected with ground. Okay. So select means LCD is output device. So we make this pin output. 8 pin, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 different port and this 4 different port. Output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this one 8. This is for data line. This is for D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, and this is for RS, and this is for enable. So okay, after that go to the source group, system, this one, crystal ceramic, and this crystal ceramic. Then after that GPIO, select this one. First A8, see this first. This one B12 is D0. First work on B12. B12 is D0. Okay. Then B13 is D1, then D2, then D3, sorry, it's D3. Okay, after that which PA8 is D4. I think some error is there. No, D5, D6, and this is D7. Okay, after that PA12 and PA13. PA12 is RS, P double click, PA-RS, and RA13 is enable E. Okay, this one, these are the pin. This one and this one. This is R0, D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. These are the data lines of LCD, and these are the command lines RS and E. After that, generate code. Okay, and give the name. It's LCD, any name. And then go to the MDK ARM. Then which version is 4 version. Then generate code. You have to give any name. Suppose LCD1, and give the location also, and where we have to write the codes in D STM32 LCD. Okay, then open it. Name is LCD1. After that, generate code. In this we are using two files. This is a one hex file and a C file for LCD. STM32 LCD 16x2. All the commands and for display purpose, these header files we are using. So with the help of this header file, write the code. Yeah, open project. I have to add these two files on the same folder. So this is our key software. This is main file. So we have to add these two files. First go to the application user, then add file to source group, then give the C file is in STM32 LCD. This one, this is a C file, and we have to add one H file, .h file also. So these two files, this is C and H file. After that, close, go to the option, then go to the C and C plus option, then include path, go to this new, then this one, then select the path of this program. We have work on STM32 LCD, this one. Okay, LCD, okay, then okay, after that again okay. Okay, this is our main file. So this is the code text file on this one. First work on 8-bit mode. This is a syntax for 8-bit mode function. So LCD 1602 begin 8-bit. Then this is the pin RS. First RS pin, enable pin, and these pins you have to write it. So with the help of this one, this is main file, copy it in the GPIO begin. I already write it, suppose this thing, copy, paste. This is RS port. First work on port, then RS pin, then enable pin, then D0 port, then D0 pin, D1 pin, D2, D3 pin. These ports are different. Then after that port, D4 port, then after that 4 pin different. Because these are connected with different port, and these 4 are connected with different port. D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 are connected with, these 4 are connected with different port. Okay, and these 2 also connected with different one. To say, write like that. After that, we have to print anything with the help of LCD 1602_print, and you have to write anything. In first line, write this one. In second line, write this one. For second line, move cursor to the second line with the help of this command. Cursor move to the second line. After that, write this one. Then God bless you. After that, some delay. Then clear screen. Then go to the build option. And 0 error, 0 warning. Then this. Compiling. Compiling, then it's 0 error. The implementation is given in my next video, and link is given in the comment box. Okay, thank you.